Hey guys, well, hey ladies. So I just wanted to get on here and talk about my hair. It is my Queen Collection hair from Celebuton hair, and I made a unit while home. I know a lot of people aren't getting their hair done right now, so what I did was I did a tutorial from beginning to end how I did this look. It is a Upart, one of my favorite things. I love a Upart. It's a Upart that I made, and I am using 2 bundles of the Queen Collection kinky straight hair, and I show you guys from beginning to end what I did. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's gonna be really quick. And if you guys want to get something custom made, you can either DM me or shoot me an email. I will put all the information below. Enjoy this video and this look on this quick and easy hairstyle. Welcome back, ladies. It's Rachel V here, and I have something special for you girls. I am going to be doing a full tutorial. Yes, a tutorial, finally. I am going to be showing you ladies how to install a Upart wig. And I absolutely love Upart wigs because they're so versatile and it's so quick and easy. It's something that I can take on and take off, and I can switch my look up within like an hour. So stay tuned and make sure you guys like and subscribe to this video. Get you some tea, some water, something, because we're going to be here for about 10 minutes. First things first, I need a trim. I haven't had a trim in probably like 8 weeks, so my ends are looking raggedy. I am going to cut off probably maybe 1 or 2 inches of my hair first, because I do not like raggedy ends. So let's get into it. Now that my trim is done, I am going to put some oil in my hair, because when I do braids, I always like to put some kind of oil on it. So after I put the oil on, I am going to part my hair out using the Upart. So I like to measure it with the Upart and then, part my section. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to carve out my edges, and I already have the leave out on the top. Normally when I make my Upart, I like to measure it, and then that kind of lets me know how much hair I'm going to leave out anyway. So I normally like to leave out enough so it can look as natural as possible. Okay, so now I am going to start this braiding process. I can't stand braiding my hair. So I like to do small cornrows around where the combs are gonna go, where it lays. And in the middle, I just do, I think, 3 cornrows in the middle. I make them really big because I don't like braiding my hair. I don't like taking out braids. I like to make it as simple as possible, and to be honest with you, it's gonna be flat anyway. So ladies, this is what the Upart looks like. It has combs in it, and you can either sew it in. There's 2 ways that you can install a Upart: by combs or to sew in. I'm gonna do a separate video to show you guys how I make my Uparts. Again, you can get this hair from celebutonhair.com. I will put a link in the description box below, and you guys can purchase the hair from there. And if you guys want me to make you one, I can make you one. You can shoot me a DM on Instagram, or you can send me an email. Again, all the information will be in the inbox below. Okay, girls, I have my hair braided. You see, it's just a basic braid down. I have my hair braided, so now I'm just taking those clips and sticking it in there where they belong. And look, it's so easy. I mean, this is like the easiest transition ever. I call this my lazy girl hair. So after I get my unit on in the place that I need it to be, it should be fitting perfectly because, like I said, I measure it to my head. I am going to go ahead and style my hair. I'm going to give it a good blow dry. I'm going to put some oil in it. I'm going to press my edges, and I am going to pin it back and, lay it down with some edge control, make it really pretty. And there you have it. I mean, it's simple, easy. You can do this in an hour to 45 minutes to an hour. That's all you need to do. This is super easy. I feel like this is honestly better than an install because it's so versatile and it's just easy, and I can just take it out, wash my hair once a week, and that's it.